An important law passed in Tennessee history is the child labor law. This law was established in 1893 and states that no child under the age of 12 can have a job. Tennessee has made changes to this law since that time and strictly enforces that no child under the age of 14 can work. Years ago, many children as young as 6 were put to work doing a variety of jobs. Both girls and boys alike would have to quit school to help their families bring the money to survive. This led to a lot of uneducated and unskilled adults. By the time the children reached adulthood, they had done so many different small jobs and had not mastered any one skill that they could not make a good living on. Another problem with children going to work at such a young age was that their bodies were still developing, and if the job required a lot of physical labor, it would result in injuries that were hard to overcome. Working outside in extreme temperatures could also sometimes cause sickness that could even result in death at a young age. Medication back then was not as convenient to obtain as it is today. The thought that people had years ago was that if a child was working, they would stay out of trouble. This was not the case, as noted in the Federal Report on Juvenile Delinquency and Employment in the 8th volume of the Report on Conditions of Women and Child Wage Earners in the United States, transmitted to the United States Senate in 1910, that among children at work, girls and boys, there is a greater tendency among the children that were working than among non-workers to get into trouble and to continue to get into trouble. I don't know about other children my age, but I'm glad the Tennessee Child Labor Act was passed and strictly enforced today. I have big dreams and need a good education to accomplish my dreams. If I had to work and help support my family, when would I be able to study and reach my future goals? Thank you, Tennessee, for caring about me and my future. I will make a difference.